In this video, we will learn how to create custom filters to quickly view specific activities in your schedule. Filters help you focus on what matters most. We will go through 5 important filters you should know. Let's get started. To create a new filter in Primavera P6, first, open your project. Then, go to the Activities window. Click on the View menu. Select Filter By. Then click New for a new filter or Modify to edit an existing filter. Now let's go through the 5 important filters you should know. Filter 1. Activities starting in the next 30 days. Click New and name your filter 1 month look ahead. Set the parameter as Start is within range of the data date plus 1 month, and Finish is within range of the data date plus 1 month. Click OK. This filter helps you focus on upcoming work. Filter 2. Critical activities. Create a new filter and name it Critical. Set the parameter as Critical equals Yes. This filter shows only activities on the critical path. Very useful for tracking key schedule drivers. This shows all the critical activities, not just the longest path activities. Filter 3. Completed activities. Make a new filter and name it Completed Activities. Set the parameter as Activity status equals completed. This filter helps you review all finished work in the project. Filter 4. Writing the data date. Create a new filter and name it Activities Writing the Data Date. Set the parameter as Start is equal to data date. This shows activities that are starting exactly on the data date. These are often in progress or scheduled to begin immediately. Filter 5. Level of effort. Create a filter and name it Level of Effort. Set the parameter as activity type equals level of effort. You can combine filters by selecting multiple filters and choosing all selected filters, or any selected filters, depending on how you want them to work together. When you're done, click Apply to view your filtered activities. That's it! You've just learned how to create 5 essential filters in Primavera P6. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more Primavera P6 tutorials. And if you have filter you want to learn, leave a comment and wait for the tutorial. Thanks for watching.
For every project there is a story that we narrate.